Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineers. Today I will show you an amazing airdrop chance from Zksync. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So as you know, I've mentioned this 1,000 times, and we also have multiple videos about SpaceID. It's a platform where you can buy BNB domains, and I nearly talked about this project in every live stream, which you can check out from our channel. And as you know, nearly 3 weeks ago, they announced an airdrop for the early users. And just like Ethereum name service before that, they gave out nearly 300 SpaceID tokens to the least active users. Now, nearly all of the big domain service projects are giving out airdrops, and we think the next one will come from Zksync name service. Now, let's have a look at it. Well, first, we will need to bridge some Ethereums from the Ethereum mainnet to the Zksync mainnet. So for that, we will use Zksync official bridge. So as always, you will find all the links in the description box below. Open this website and click on bridge. Now in here you will need to type down the amount you would like to transfer from your Ethereum mainnet to the Zksync era mainnet. As you can see, I already transferred it, and you can see my balance is nearly 0.02 Ethereums on the Zksync era mainnet. You'll just have to type down your Ethereum balance here and then click on deposit and approve the transaction from your Metamask wallet. It takes nearly 5 minutes for your funds to arrive from your Ethereum mainnet to the Zksync era mainnet. So after bridging your Ethereum to the Zksync era mainnet, open up Zksync name service and type down the domain you'd like to purchase. So for example, let's have a look at Coin Engineer. You can see that it's available. So click on this available button. Now you can see the registration price to pay for the 1 year is nearly 0.003 Ethereum, which makes 6.8 US dollars. Now, if it's a domain you'd like to purchase, hold for the long run, you can increase the registration period, but as you can see, the price increases with it. So after you decide which domain you'd like to purchase, click on request to register with Ethereum and confirm the transaction from your wallet. So after confirming the transaction, let's have a look at my profile. So after purchasing your domain, you'll be able to see your domains under my profile. You can see I bought the bigshort.zk yesterday to try out the Zksync name service. As you can see, and also I can use this, so you can choose this one here. I already chose it, so that's why it's blocking me to click on it. But you can choose this and save it so that you will see this name on your transactions rather than your wallet address. So that was it. It was simple as that. As I said, this is useful in 3 ways. First, we might get an airdrop from the Zksync name service itself. Also, we are making transactions on the Zksync network, which is another chance for an airdrop from the Zksync itself. And last but not least, you will own a domain which you can sell on marketplaces like OpenSea. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.